video, I'm going to be telling you how you can actually start earning money with Adidas. And don't worry, you don't have to be investing on stock. You don't need actually a warehouse. I'm going to tell you everything in this video. Hey, hello, my name is Sienna Castillo, and welcome to my channel. Thanks to the fact that I actually promote other people products and services, I was able to replace not one but two full-time jobs. And this is what I'm going to be talking about. This is called affiliate marketing, and in this case I'm going to be telling you about the affiliate program that Adidas has, so you can partner it with it. And by the time recording this video, and according to the research I made and my knowledge, because I have been part of it, you don't need, well, there's no restriction on where you are. You can apply and you can be part of it. So let me share with you everything because I want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. As I told you before, I'm going to be talking about the affiliate program, the Adidas affiliate program. Okay. More than 80% of the companies out there do have an affiliate program in which we don't have to worry about customer service, payment processor, support of any kind of thing. You don't have to ship in this case, the shoes or the t-shirts or anything that the apparels that someone purchased. The company take care of everything. Okay, so I'm not going to be telling you everything about Adidas because I'm pretty sure that you already know about this company. Maybe you haven't made a purchase online, but you went to the local store and you purchase a product. Okay, so you know that they do have a lot of products that you can promote about, and I'm going to show you what's going to be the best strategy. This is going to be 100% based on my experience. So what's their affiliate program? Here is it. You can apply here. Okay, so literally you're going to be partnering with the company that has been around since 1949. Okay, when you team up with Adidas, it's not just about earning commission, it's about the commitment to the craft. Okay, they inspire athletic lifestyle. So if you decide to go ahead and partner with them, something that you need to take into consideration is that their partners have the dedication and heart of an athlete, a person who puts in the work to better themselves. Are you an innovator? Do you inform? Do you inspire others? Well, that's what they're actually looking for. Someone who is passionate about the Adidas brand and lifestyle, breathe life to the content they share with compelling editorials, promotion, and true leadership within their established niche. Uh, you actually love all things centered on sport, fashion, and trying new things. Their target audience is men and women between 18 and 25 years. You need to have an engaged audience, and every single time someone uses your special link and they make a purchase on Adidas, you're going to be earning a commission. So in order to apply, you're going to click here where it says apply now. Their affiliate program works through a marketplace that is called Impact. Impact has other companies. So if you're interested, I can tell you that Nike is there and Under Armour. If I'm not 100% sure about Under Armour, but I know that Nike is there as well. So you are going to be completing a survey. Here you can see that they do have different languages. So this is a affiliate program that all of things are doing. So chances are that right now you get your affiliate link, you're approved. Okay, you see that they have running shoes, choose for the specific sports, clothing, accessories for men, women, kids. And this is what most people do. And this is actually a huge mistake. What most people do is that they are like, okay, here I have Adidas, and I'm going to be promoting everything. Okay, I'm going to be promoting for people who play rugby. I'm going to be promoting it for people who play soccer. I'm going to be promoting for people who are running. I'm going to be promoting to everybody. And if you try to do this doesn't work. Okay, I want you to take that into consideration. How do I actually do it? It's that I target an audience. In my case, I love football if you're in England, soccer if you are in the US. So here I have Adidas, and I told them like, hey, okay, I'm interested in a specific sport. In this case, my sport is going to be soccer. And, you can practice it on the beach and all stuff. In my case, I'm like, no, I'm gonna be doing with the one that you practice on the field, and I'm gonna be promoting shoes. Okay, this is what I'm gonna be going. I'm not gonna be, with clothing. That I don't interested in that. So here I have, and here I have the soccer shoes. These are specific. These are specific shoes because they do have several athletes that are actually sponsored by Adidas. Okay, so I can target people who are actually interested on these specific athletes. Okay, so because I actually know about this, I'm like, okay, I can actually target people who really like the way how Leo Messi actually played. So that can be my target audience. So from time to time, from different season to another, they launch an specific or special edition for Leo Messi. The other thing is that I know that this is an eager audience. They like things about not only the World Cup, but they do have um, special leagues, international championships, their national leagues. So these are people who are really passionate about, and the higher the price of the product, the bigger is going to be my commission. Okay, for example, here we have 216, 208, and even we have this one 300. So it depending on how advanced it's actually shoot. Okay, talking about Messi, here we have. Okay, so now you can do the hit and miss strategy, which I don't recommend. What I actually do is this other strategy. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to know more information about my number one recommendation to make money online, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description. Okay, this is basically what I do. I create a guide in which I actually sharing people tips or tricks about how they can actually improve their skills. I'm actually telling them like, hey, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be delivering the guide via email. But here I have the top 5, the top 10 soccer shoes that I recommend. And if you want, go here, and this is Adidas website. One cool thing about this is that I capture their name and email address, so I can be sharing with them more information, more running shoes. Now here I can go and I can start promoting other accessories. I can promote clothing and other things. Okay, because they are actually on my email list. And actually, this is a system that is going to be working for you 24/7. This is actually how I was able to replace 2 full-time jobs, because right now, this is still working for me 24/7. How do you actually create this? Okay, there is a tool that I like, and you can create a 100% free account. I'm going to be leaving a link below. The tool, it's called System.io. System.io, it's an all-in-one marketing solution. So you're going to have all the tools that you actually need in order to have a profitable online business. Okay, so you can go here where it says sites, then you're going to click here where it says sales funnels, then you're going to click here where it says create. You're going to put a name. The name is just for internal use. If you have a domain, you can choose it here, and then you're going to click here where it says build an audience, and you're going to click here save. So I already have it. So as you can see, I do have a 2-page funnel. This one, it's the one, this one, it's to capture their name and email. Okay. So it can be as simple and as complex as you want. I actually like to use something really simple, but if you want something, with more design, a little bit more complicated, you can go ahead and do that. Okay. So this page is this one, and the second page, it's this one. Okay. So these are actually the pages. Okay. So you can actually do everything with System.io, and you're gonna have more opportunities if you're capturing their name and email address. So if you want to learn more about this, remember, I'm gonna be sharing a link below. This is something that you can actually do as a side hustle. At the end of the day, the you know you can accomplish everything that you want. Like At the beginning, I wasn't looking to replace either of my full-time jobs, to be honest. I was looking to earn at least a $300 per month extra so it can help me pay my bills. But at the end, I was like, hey, you know what? If I'm earning, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna keep, you know, working on this. I'm gonna keep moving forward, and that's actually how I was able to replace two full-time jobs. So I hope you enjoyed this content. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.